Hello students, today in this class we learn about GNU licenses. What are the open source licenses? So in previous video we understand about GNU GPL and GNU LGPL. Now today we learn about third license, BSD license. So this BSD stands for Berkeley Software Distribution. BSD license represent a family of permissive free software license that have fewer restriction on distribution compared to other free software licenses such as the GNU General Public License. So it has limited facility and free software available and fewer restriction on distribution compared to other GNU licenses. So there are two important version of BSD license. Okay. Our first is the new BSD license or modified BSD license. The new BSD license, which is also called three clause license, allow unlimited redistribution for any purpose as long as its copyright notice and the license disclaimer or warranty are maintained. The license also contain a clause restricting use of the name of contribution for endorsement of a derived work without specific permission. And second one is the simplified BSD license, free BSD. The simplified BSD license is different from the new BSD license in the sense that the latter omits the non-endorsement clause. So our next license is MIT license. The MIT license is the shortest and probably broadest of the all popular open source license. Its term very loose and more permissive than most other licenses. The basic provision of the license are, what are the basic procedures of license of MIT is, you can use, copy, modify the software however you want. No one can prevent you from using it on any project, from copying it however many times you want and in whatever format you like, or from changing it however you want. And second one is, you can give the software away for free or sell it. You have no restriction on how to distribute it. And third is, the only restriction is that it be accompanied by license agreement. It basically says that anyone can do whatever they want with the licensed material as long as it's accompanied by the license. And our third license is Apache server license. The Apache license grants a number of rights to users. These rights can be applied to both copyright and patents. The Apache license offer rights are perpetual. Once granted, you can continue to use them forever. Rights are worldwide. If the rights are granted in one country, then they are granted in all countries. Rights are granted for no fee or royalty. There is upfront users fee, no per users fee or any other basic either. Rights are non-exclusive. You are not the sole license. Other can also use the licensed work. And last one is, rights are irrevocable. No one can take these rights away once they are granted. So these are the basic property of the Apache license. So we learned out about 5 licenses and what are the difference between public domain software and proprietary software. So public domain software is free and can be used without restriction. The term public domain is software often incorrectly to include freeware, free software that is nevertheless copyright. Public domain software is by its very nature outside the scope of copyright licensing. On the contrary, there is proprietary software which is neither free nor available for public. There is a proper license to attach to it. User has to buy the license in order to use it. So this is a basic difference between public domain software and proprietary software. So today we learned about other open source license which are BSD, MIT and Apache server license. and we learn about what is difference between public domain software and proprietary software.